welcome back to another episode.
Okay then.
Yeah man, Island Adventure
K9
JA.
unit.
It's a K9 unit.
Yeah, K9 unit.
Alright my boss. Yeah man, so another epic adventure. So watch your style. So we have Kelani there, RJ up there. Yeah, we have Tanisha.
Hi.
Outdoor cooking. And doing up there, so.
Yes man, don't know.
Yeah man. Yeah man, today we're at Bush River. So check out the video, check it out.
And the view from up here nice, isn't it?
Nice man, yeah, tell her. Look at that view. Yeah man, fully active. Very fun over there. The color style here.
No, but you see, I have to the match place.
I'm putting in gun. I'm putting in gun.
What do you mean, more run? Mash it, chop.
There's a man up a big deal. Can't get bus right. Can't let her eat.
When it gets bigger, I have to put the coconut on it.
Yeah, wait until you get up fully.
No, why not?
Oh, you chop up that so we can make a 2 for you then.
Yeah. Blanch pork. You feel it more if it's still tough.
Tough for you, man.
So you can't, it still can't pull apart.
Me not like money now. But if I get it,
Yeah, if I get money, I have cheese.
let me have cheese with me.
Just get close up.
Yeah, no, 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 dilute, you know.
Everything I tell me say, he runs.
Never use to you.
Come here.
Yeah, you must say Tanisha.
Come here.
You must say your father used to use.
Tanisha.
What does that mean?
Tanisha. Dad. Tell your baby to come to me.
So check this out. What you say I do?
Stupid.
Tanisha I do.
Stupid. With pigtails.
Hold on. Man, so look on the cane samurai. I cane samurai that. Yeah man, the man they chop you up with cane. What do you mean? Eh? Lick.
No cat for you.
A tree.
Hey Kelani, hey. Say hi. Hi. Kelani. Say hi. Kelani. Say hi.
Babe, I don't want another little thing to catch it up.
Catch up.
This part.
Oh. Alright, so this is the pork pot. So I blanch some pork to jerk. Slightly cook it down and then put it on the grill. Right over there. So stay tuned. Tanisha grate some coconut. Where you use that again? Rice and peas are in the.
No, we're going to put this in the stew peas.
Okay. Alright, so she'll put that in the stew peas. Stew peas with pig's tail,
Pigtail.
chicken foot,
And chicken neck.
and chicken neck. Yeah man, that type of vibes. Epic vibes.
With some nice white rice.
Yeah, check the scenery.
Ready.
Man, that's a big up Fleet World TV. Man, Chintan here, you know. Why don't you watch out for the pork? Nice, you know?
You know, well seasoned already.
What is it ready to?
Yeah.
Blanch. Look at it.
Turn it again, let me see. Ooh, so you have to add some more season.
Come on, man. ready to go find it.
Okay. Alright guys, this is the pork. I brown it up and then add some water and blanch it. And then we're going to put it on the jerk pan. Smell nice. Check out the view, guys. Check this view out, guys. This nice breathtaking view. Alright guys, check out the view.
Okay, then.
Check it out. This is so pretty.
Jump off there.
Boy. I will love it, Chentan.
Not me.
What? Boy, I eat it though. Boy, not me.
Hey. Oh.
Wow.
It's coconut? Okay, I take a coconut.
Yeah, pass it. It's still the
Real coconut money, you know. Oh, I chop it on the head. Yo, this is so man and the island baba chop it on the head in the brother. Oh, yes, man. Man, you hold the coconut on the head and I chop it, brother, like. Stew peas. See pork up on the grill, you know. Blows and screw. Roger pork. Hey, I'm not put no browning on this, you know? No browning, I'm not put on it. Straight grill burn. Watch it.
Good,
Yeah, man, so this is some jerk pork. Chentan. Blows and screw. Roger pork. It's pretty fat. Hey, me set. Roger pork. Hey, I'm say pork. Hey, kitty. On pork? On pork? Alright, me give you pork here.
Yeah, why you let the pork up in?
Me give you pork. Alright, so that's a jerk pork.
All the shoes are here. All the check are I'm a fingernail are here.
Alright. Alright. Hold on for the swing no? Hold on for the swing.
Yeah, man.
I mean. Oh. Give them one plate with that Tanisha and then but they can't come here.
Find it. No.
Yeah, so look at the food. some
Done for the day, listen.
jerk pork,
Mm.
some pig's tail with chicken foot and chicken neck. Yeah, so that's 2 peas.
Hey, there's a table on.
Alright, Jerry, come here, let me see your belly how you look. Let me see your gut, if it's big. Hey boy, your belly. Everybody belly full. RJ gut full. Where Everall? Everall? Where is your gut full? RJ. What Tanisha? What you do, Tanisha? I would this again. Everall.
Okay then.
Reach a regular spot. Hey, listen. 2 spots in a 1 day.
Got you?
Oh.
Okay then.
Alright. Yeah man, Island adventure. So we do it. 2 spots in a 1 day. So Jamaica look. Oh, 1 buzzer over there, sir. Yeah man, me I tell the viewers and the subscribers them say 2 locations in a 1 day. Oh. Thank you, Lani.
Yeah. Oh, next in line.
Next person.
Come on.